Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a vase out of spalted beech, and right now we are going to use the mid-size rougher from Easy Wood Tools, and we are going to start by getting it to round.
They tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your hands and you will see. We are right where we want to be. Nothing else really matters.
Alright, we'll just put in a tenon on the end there. Alright, we've got it held in the chuck. And we're going to flatten the top off. Deal with the rougher. There we go. Alright, we're just going to make a few reference lines with the pencil.
They tell us what to do. They tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your hands and you will see. We are right where we want to be. Nothing.
There we go. And now we're going to start shaping. First tool we're going to use is the mid-size finisher. All tools, cutters, even the lathe will be linked down in the description if anybody is interested.
They say that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and restless. They say that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and restless.
Back to the rougher. Clean up the bottom a bit. Here's the number 1 hollower just to undercut the top. Now we're going to use the number 1 hollower just to shape the top. And there we go. Now we're going to do a bit of sanding. This is up to 240 grit.
We have met before. It's the same as always, waiting at the airport with your coat and gloves. Same time every winter, smiling like you knew me. And now all my emotions are searching for you in places we never been.
There we go.
Starting to realize the chance I've been given, but I am so afraid.
Alright, going to add some blue stain to it now.
I will see you again next year. If my wishes do come true, I will see you again next year. Do my hopes stay down, let it won't stay down, let it won't be too late, won't be too late. Oh, if I am a lucky man, I will see you again next year. Time is standing still when you lift your suitcase.
There we go. Alright, once that's all dried it, then we're going to lock it in with some sanding sealer. I'm going to give that a couple of coats. And then we're going to denib it with some Yorkshire Grit Microfine.
I will see you again next year. If my wish
There we go. Alright, now we're going to use some microcrystalline wax over the top. Going to wipe this all over. Make sure you get nice even coverage. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside. Writing down
There you go.
that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back to
Alright, so we're going to start hollowing now. We're going to start with drilling with a Forstner bit down to depth.
that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown. Running free, it could be everything that we were chasing.
There you go.
Just to see how you make everything fall into place.
Alright, so now we're just going to clean up that rim.
I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. And now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna
There we go.
try this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape.
So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to turn the headstock 180 degrees, as I'm now going to use the Pro Size hollower. If I had it the other way around, the wall would have gotten in the way. So now I can get right down to depth. So I chop and change between the Pro Size hollower and the number 3 hollower, using a bit of compressed air in between, just to clear them shavings. There you go, there's the number 3. There we go, last bit of compressed air. Alright, now we're going to do a bit of sanding with a bit of sandpaper on a stick.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. A break to my heart.
There you go.
It's raining down, baby. I'm like a river that's
Bit of sanding sealer.
You know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth.
Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Once again, wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have to clean it around about 1000 grit.
See past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make
Last few wipes.
big bonfire on the beach with the
there you go. And some microcrystalline wax just to finish it off. Exactly the same as before. You wipe this all over, make sure you get nice even coverage, and you buff it in. And just be careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just turn your lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and build up that heat. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.